Hi, welcome to my cooking channel. Today we're going to make chili macaroni. Most of the ingredients that we needed today, either it's in your pantry or in the fridge. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this dish. It is spicy and yummy. Please check the description box for the ingredients. Let's start. Heat the pan with the 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add grated garlic. Saute for a minute and add roughly chopped green and red bell peppers. Cook for a couple of minutes but make sure not to overcook the bell peppers. You can use any meat of your choice. Today I am using both beef and pork. Mix everything well together with the bell pepper and garlic. I'm adding the following spices, but it's up to you to adjust the spices according to your taste. Tomato paste will give color and consistency to the dish. Mix all the spices and tomatoes with the meat and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm using canned chili beans and add to the meat mixer. Stir well and mash the beans with the meat. Now you make sure that you have enough spices and salt. Adding a pinch of sugar will balance the taste. Boil the water with the salt to cook our pasta. Cooking pasta will be tricky. You don't want a mushy or crunchy pasta. Dry pasta will be ready within 10 to 12 minutes. Pasta is ready. Now you add to the chili mix. Please add pasta water to the chili macaroni mix if you like a thinner consistency. Adding lemon juice will enhance and balance the flavors. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a very easy and tasty recipe. Thank you so much for your patience and watching my video. Please try, enjoy, like and comment. I will see you soon with another great recipe. Have a great day. Please subscribe and thank you.